This is an incredible product. But how do you defrost these? As you'll notice, unlike most Seatopia products where it's individually vacuum packed, this is individually quick frozen. They're loose in here. The process of optimally defrosting this is slightly different. Let's dive in. I'm gonna run a cold water over these to help pull the glaze off. There's a small glaze on top of this that we're gonna take off. Make sure that every scallop is dried and there is not a glaze still on them. So this process is going to wick moisture and get the optimal experience. So these are now going to go in the fridge for another, let's say, 15 minutes to an hour while I'm prepping. So it's been an hour, and it looks like some of them are close, but they're not done yet. So with this clean paper towel or tuna paper, I'm gonna check. And if you kind of see any extra moisture on here, we're gonna wick that off. Sushi starter kit.